Good day, viewers, and welcome to the Big Emma podcast. Who truly owns a brand name? Is it the person who first became popular with it, or the person who legally registered it? In today's episode, we are talking about trademarks, what they mean, why they matter, and how failure to protect a brand can lead to public disputes. We will be using the VeryDarkMan and Blord disagreement over the use of the name Ratel as a case study for education purpose strictly. This episode is for creators, entrepreneurs, influencers, startups, and anyone building a name in Nigeria's digital economy. So, what is a trademark? A trademark is a word, name, logo, symbol, slogan, or design that identifies the source of goods or services and distinguishes them from others. In simple terms, a trademark is the legal identity of a brand. When you trademark a name, you are telling the law, this name represents my business. This is how the public recognizes me. I want legal protection against imitation. A trademark is not just branding. It is intellectual property. Why are trademarks important? Trademarks are important because they protect brand identity. They prevent others from copying or exploiting your reputation. Prevent consumer confusion. People can clearly identify the real source of a product or service. Create legal ownership. A registered trademark is enforceable in court. Add business value. Trademarks can be sold, licensed, or used to attract investors. Support growth and longevity. As your brand expands, your trademark protects your goodwill. Business name versus trademark. Common confusion. Many Nigerians mistakenly believe that once a business name is registered, the brand is protected. That is not correct. Business name registration allows you to operate under a name. Trademark registration gives you exclusive rights to that name in commerce. You can legally own a business name and still lose the trademark. This misunderstanding has caused many brand disputes in Nigeria. Trademark law in Nigeria. In Nigeria, trademarks are governed by the Trademarks Act, Cap T13, laws of the Federation of Nigeria. Key points. Trademark. Rights are territorial. Nigeria only. Protection is class-based goods and services categories. Initial validity is 7 years. Renewable every 14 years. Ownership is determined by registration, priority, scope of use, likelihood of public confusion. The Ratel issue, a case study. Now, let's look at the VeryDarkMan and Blord issue over the name Ratel as a learning example. This public disagreement has raised key trademark questions. Who first used the name in commerce? Was the name registered as a trademark? If registered, in what class of goods or services? Is there a likelihood of public confusion? Does popularity equal ownership? Here is the most important principle to understand. Trademark ownership is not about who is louder online. It is about who secured legal rights first, and in what category. Ignorant, they say, is not an excuse. Key trademark lessons. A name can be popular on social media and still legally belong to someone else if it was properly registered. Key lessons from the Ratel case. Public use does not equal legal ownership. Online popularity does not override trademark law. Delaying trademark registration puts your brand at risk. Trademark disputes are resolved by law, not emotions. Brand protection must be proactive, not reactive. What can be trademarked? Distinctive names, logos, slogans, and unique designs. What cannot be trademarked? Generic terms, descriptive words, misleading names, or names already registered. How to protect your brand. Search, choose the right class file. Respond to objections, register, renew. Final takeaway. The Ratel issue is a lesson in intellectual property awareness. If you don't trademark your brand early, someone else legally can. Brand protection is not arrogance. It is wisdom. Protect your brand before you promote it. If you learned something from this episode, please do well to share it with a creator or business owner. Leave a comment or review. Subscribe for more education on law, labor, and civic rights. Protect your brand before you promote it.